MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, RockAuto.com, State Farm, and WeatherTech.
Saying goodbye to one of our long terms is never easy, but that's what we must do this week with our 2018 Toyota Camry midsize family sedan.
It's been a relatively short run in this Camry XSE, but a good one for us. We love the styling, and the sportier suspension really backs up the looks. Quicker transmission shifts would be a nice upgrade, but as far as the daily driver, the Camry is as solid as it gets, and it's pretty entertaining too.
Just routine maintenance was all that was required during the Camry's 7-month stay with us, and over 12,500 miles, the 206 horsepower, 2.5-liter four-cylinder delivered a very good 33.4 miles per gallon. Best part of all, the improved ride and handling came without losing any of the comfort and practicality we've come to expect in Camry. We'll miss it for sure,